Hey, Harry, we're back.
Jackie.
Yeah, we're back. Jackie. What?
Jackie.
Hey, what happened to the Sons of... This is the Sons of Anarchy. This ain't Game of Thrones. What? Hey, you're right. Yeah, what's going on here? What happened to the Game of Thrones? Yeah, well, this has still got a beat to it. Wait a minute, let's hear this. Oh, he's so sad. I don't know why he's sad. We can give him some magic. They're so bad. He must mean the Sons. They're bad, man. We don't get to see them no more. I'm so sad. They're so bad. Hey, Harry, this isn't bad. Nobody knows but... Hey, this is that song where that guy sings, isn't it? Yeah, here he comes.
Jackie, I don't think so. Jackie, there might be another road, but I don't think so, Jackie. No more shows.
That was good. I want to hear that again. Can I rewind that? Yeah, that was fun. I'm so sad. Small, this is the second part, okay. You're too tall. Look how tall you are. Yeah, tall. On the Sons of Anarchy. Jackie, there he is. He's back.
Get back here, Jackie.
Where'd he go?
Back here.
Get him back. Get him back. Yeah, get him back. Get the magic, Harry. Come on, Harry. Get the magic. Get him back. Yeah, wait a minute. Oh, there you go. He's back. We got magic. Something's happening. I don't hear nothing. I'm going to hit the rewind. How about you? I want to rewind that part again. Oh, yeah, let's do it. Oh, what the heck? Oh, we got to stop. We got magic. We got no magic. The only magic we got's coming out of that freaking sound speaker. Volume. Anyways, we better get going. These people want to hear something. What are they going to hear from you? I don't know. Hey, boo-boo, Ranger Smith says if we get caught in Jellystone Park stealing picnic baskets, we'll go to the zoo. I know, Yogi. You know what he said about the zoo. We don't get to go to the zoo because we're good bears. Yeah? That's not what he says. But Yogi, if we get caught, we'll go to the zoo. That's okay, boo-boo. They serve Jellystone picnic basket jelly sandwiches. Okay, that's enough. That is enough. There's that music again. Oh. You want to go? Let's do it. What? You think you can take me? We're friends. We're not taking nobody. Okay, time to go. Time to go do something before Mama comes home and gets me in big trouble. Since I haven't had a job for the last 2 years, and I'm in big shit with everybody. Bye-bye. Okay.